I'm doing an experiment. I use this spray just on the 6 cavities here. And I hate if that Pam stuff or Crisco or whatever gets on here because it'll make it sticky. So if you do this just real quick and keep it, you know, down inside instead of around here, because that's not where the food is. That's what I do. So this is weird, I know. I'm gonna try it. I had those tater tots and I disintegrated them. I thawed them and they went like that. And I'm getting some cheese in here. And I don't know what else. But I'm just gonna try like 6 of these and see how it works. So I melted some butter. I'm gonna put that in. And even if it doesn't work, I can use it and fry it up like this, okay? So let me stir you. Gets a nice consistency. And then I'm gonna put it in there. I'm supposed to, I was supposed to use my hash browns, those little sticky ones. They look like little sticks. This was supposed to be little bird nests. But now I don't know what they're called. And I don't care, because I gotta use these. So, I'm trying to get every little potato thingy with some butter on it. Some butter. Whoops. Get out of there. So, I think it'll stick together. Oopsie. Let's see. Yeah, see, that's my little test. So I did these 6, and I'm gonna put them in there, smash them around, and then we'll see how it goes. And if I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, I ain't gonna do it again. Okay, now, I should have like one of those tampers. I've already done this. I have already taken a second pan and put it on the first one and went shh to smash these down so it's even. So I'm gonna just push this up the side. This just might work, y'all. See what I'm doing there? See that one? Okay, I might need a little bit more in each one. I can always take it out, right? Okay, let me do this, and then I'm gonna bake it. I'm gonna bake these 6 and see if they stay in their form of little bird nest type of things, even though I didn't use hash browns, I used tater tots. Okay. Okay, what do you think? Like, I'm gonna get the oven pretty hot. I'm gonna do like a 400. It's preheating now. A little bit more in there. This would be a fun thing with the kids to put an egg in, right? So I'm gonna bake it first, and then I'll put a little egg in and wait till you see what kind of egg I'm gonna use. Okay, get the sides. When you make cupcakes or something, or muffins, try and clean off these middle side parts. You don't want those being on here, because then you'll just have more to clean. And I'm all about not having more to clean. Okay, into the oven. Let's see where all this goes. How pretty are these? I had a little conversation with myself when I saw what they were. And I stood there and I debated, should I buy these? I've never worked with them before. They're awfully darn cute. I asked my grandkids, so what kind of eggs do you think these are? I got everything from dinosaur eggs to robin eggs. I love it, but this is what they are. I bought them at the farmer's market. See? Little quail eggs. I have never worked with these before. And why I was like debating, like, oh, quail? Like, what do you think chickens are, Shirley? You never even think twice about using no chicken egg. So, these are just so darn cute, aren't they? Beautiful. Beautiful. So, my little thing that I have in the oven right now, I'm going to put a little quail egg in them. Hope I don't hack them up too much. Oh, is this one stuck? Nope. But they're awfully pretty. Have you ever used quail eggs before? Have you eaten a fancy dinner whereby they put a little quail egg and let it kind of be runny on top? Not I, said the cat. But there's the first for everything, girl. So I want to give these a go. I think I better tap them gently though, not like slam them like I do with my regular chicken eggs. Quail eggs, what do you know? So I had them in there 8 minutes and then I put them in 3 more minutes. They're still really hot. They're crispy around the edges. I'm gonna let them cool a little bit and see if I can't talk them into coming out, but I'm gonna try and break an egg first. I know they have this membrane that's like hard to do. It's not like a regular chicken egg. So maybe I'll use this little knife. It has a little bit of serrated on it. All right, let's see. Okay, I just want to get my fingernails in there and you pull it apart. You don't ever like smash the egg. When you're teaching kids, you have to have them practice, do that. Yeah, let's see how I do, huh? I'm gonna pull it apart. Oh, lay it down in there. Oh, it worked. Look how pretty. That's pretty too, huh? Now, I was gonna put them back in the oven, but I kind of want to see, because they're really hot, how much that would cook. But let's see if this will come out nice too. I shouldn't be using a knife, a sharp instrument on my USA pan. Okay, I'm not gonna try and do it. I'm gonna break some eggs. That one went well. Let's see the next one. Look at, that was a big yolk for in there, huh? Oh, I went crooked. Oh, Shirley. Oh, swear word. It didn't even, oh no, this one has one of those membranes they talked about. Come on. See if I can get, I can't even get my fingernail in there, look. Because there's a membrane. But if I poke it, maybe I'll flick it up. Okay, I got a hold of that. I'm gonna pull it apart gently and go low because you don't want it to drop. Oh, I did it. I did it. That one was tougher. Look, it's all crumbly. Anyway, I'm gonna put these back in the oven and you can use a regular chicken egg, but I just had to try those. And I tasted a little bit of this. See, they might come right out, but they're just so hot right now. Look, they're nice and brown. Can you see that? Brown. So it's an idea. It's yet another idea. I put the Parmesan cheese in there because I didn't want to add salt, because Parm is naturally kind of salty. So I'm going to cook these just a little bit longer. Let's see what they look like. All right. Look how cute these are. Whoa, I'm up real high. Look how cute. They're a little greasy. I put too much butter in. Look at that. It's a little chicken egg basket, but it's really a quail egg. Isn't it cute? I just put it back in till it was like a, not real hard. I gotta move this camera down. Like that. Can you see? Wasn't it cute? And they popped right out, so that wasn't an issue. But like I said, they're a little bit greasy. So I put too much butter in. But I had the oven on for, what, 13 minutes or something like that. But I think these are a good idea. Now, you can use hash browns. I think they would work better than the broken apart tater tots. But you can put little green pepper stuff on them. Give each kid, like say these 3 are yours. You can make them how you want. That's what I used to do to get kids to eat. If they make something themselves, they tend to want to do that. So empower those children and say, you're a great chef. Give them a little apron. My mom used to get paper hats when she would babysit all the kids. And she would make like chef hats out of them. I would come home and they would all be, it was so cute. I wish I had pictures of that. We didn't take tons of pictures like we do now, do we? Anyway, all right, well, there they are. It actually worked. They popped out, but like I said, they're a little greasy. They're buttery. Wait, they're not greasy, they're buttery. And they taste delicious because I broke off the edge on this one. Tastes like Parmesan cheese. See ya.